Good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and welcome to the daily scan for Thursday, November 21st, 2013. Well, here's the news for today. It's going to be a pretty busy day. We got jobless claims, producer price index, PMI manufacturing index flash, and the Philly Fed survey. Many of these before the market opens, and the Fed survey after the market opens. Let's scroll down here and see if there's anything more. No, that's it. Just a quick look at yesterday when the FOMC minutes came out. Happened to coincide with the market doing a pullback. I don't know if one caused the other or not, but I'm sure that there was some influence there. I scanned through these yesterday, and there's like nothing really shocking here except for the existing home sales was a little bit came up a little bit short, I guess you might say. Quick jump across both ponds here over in Asia. Asia had pulled back a little bit except for the Nikkei. Nikkei had a very nice day. Everybody else pulled back slightly, not unlike what happened here. And currently over in Europe at lunchtime, we're seeing kind of mixed, but if we look at those that are a little bullish, they're not all that bullish, and the bearish ones are convincingly bearish. It's not like an accident, I guess you might say. Okay, so let's jump over and see what's going on here. In the futures, we have what we're looking at is going to be a gap up at the open. So our bullish friends will definitely like that. And if you're bearish on gold, yesterday was a good day for you too, because the Fed, the way that they talked, and I didn't analyze what they said or anything, but the way that they talked, it was like as though I guess you might say, printing is going to continue, and they're still like pegging it to the unemployment here, which is a number that may or may not be reliable. And oil is down below 94, so that's a good sign, although I don't see anything reflected in gas prices. Gas is pretty low, but not as low as I would like to see it. And I'm definitely getting ready to pull the trigger on my silver coins for the grandkids. I think I'm going to go with the uncirculated silver eagles, which I found a coin dealer that's selling them for $5 below what the Treasury is selling them for. So I think I might do that. $38. I think he quoted me yesterday, and the Treasury is saying 44 for per coin. All right, let's go and take a look at our account. Didn't really do anything yesterday. What I did yesterday was play around with that scan, the IV percentile scan that's in that special video that I came out with the other day. You may want to check that out if you haven't. I don't want to look at this. I want to look at the in play. All right. Not like as though there's a lot in play here. Now, I had a little confusing thing happen with TD Ameritrade on this VIX position here. I think I'm going to have to call him. There's something goofy going on there, and it's still looking goofy here. So I don't know what I don't know what's going on. I'll tell you what. It's the last time I ever trade the VIX. Any options on the VIX? I will not do that anymore. All right, our LinkedIn position is doing pretty good. Baidu, not too bad. That is a calendar, and Tesla is a calendar. Tesla's not doing too bad either. Let's take a look at a chart on Tesla. And let's drag this over here a little bit. Yeah, see, we had a little bit of a pullback on Tesla yesterday, so make me look like a genius here in that it is following this trend line very smartly. So it's always good to have one work out when so many others don't. So that one's doing pretty good. I'm not going to wait for max profit on that. I'm going to go ahead and I'll pick a line here maybe at 50% or something if it moves in that direction. I mean, if I can make $100 off of this, I'm going to be very happy. Especially in the next couple of days. Well, actually, this expires tomorrow, doesn't it? So, yeah, November 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it expires tomorrow. So I'll probably be, I am going to exit that today. So the question is, if I were to like click this up one more date here, can Tesla move down to 117? I don't know. Let's see here. Yeah, it could. It could very easily move down to 117. So we'll keep an eye on that. I'm going to put an alert in here. I'm going to put an alert on both sides. Okay. So now we'll see which way it goes. And if this alert triggers, I'm just going to wait a little while. If this one triggers, I'll get out. Because reset. I still might be able to eke out a couple bucks on this thing, even if it moves up today. And also I have a calendar on Baidu, and it is not working out so well, but we got more time on this one. Yes, we have more time. But it cooperated yesterday, so maybe we might be coming back down and rejoining this trend line. Just kind of keep our fingers crossed on that. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm really interested in right now. So we're going to run over here and jump right into the A+ list and keep it a little short because I'm a little bit late this morning myself. I don't know if you can see the time, but it's already almost 6:30. So I need to get hauling here. Okay, first up the bat is Apple. And Apple did not have a good day yesterday. Did it follow the market? No, it just kept going down. So where do you think a calendar would be a good thing on Apple? And I already mentioned that. Looking back here on my notes, I did. I don't have one in here. But I was thinking about a calendar on Apple. So we'll see how I'm going to make a note on that. I will be examining them today. I know that breaks away from my... just take a look at Adobe here to see what's going on. It's up $11. And what was the other one? Was it Green Mountain? No. Oh yeah, well, I'll have to look at Marvel. Green Mountain had an interesting day. Aftermarket, I hear. This one's Marvel's not doing too hot. That was for my grandkids. Okay, let's get back on track here. Amazon. Let's look at Adobe. We need to look at a chart on Adobe. All right. Okay, we have target here where we could do a regular look at that. We have earnings coming up, but still, it could be something that could be done. We could do one into next week if we wanted to. All right. We have a target on Adobe, Amazon. Entering the target area, Baidu. Entering our target area. Do we have a calendar? Yeah, we got that. We have a calendar on Baidu. Celgene. It doesn't want to have anything to do with that target down there, does it? Chipotle. Entered our target area. A lot of consolidation going on here. A little scary. Looks like it might be ripe for a pullback. FedEx into our target area. Green Mountain. I hate to look at a chart on this. Look at this. Check this out. Look at that range here on this bar. Let's zoom in a little bit. Is that crazy or what? Went up to 68.75 and as low as 58.45. Some wild swings last night. Some people made some good money and some people lost some money. I'm sure there's plenty of angry people this morning. But anyway, looking at their chart, I think it's going to gap up. I think there's going to be a hook up here today. So we'll see how big it is and whether we want to do anything about it. Google. Entering our target area. LinkedIn. Playing out nicely for us. That was a good day. We probably should finish pretty good this week, I'm thinking. How come this week isn't showing up in here? That should show up in there. Anyway, MasterCard. Entering the target area. Marvel. I probably won't trade this. This is just a special thing there. Let's see here. Netflix. Entering our target area. Nike. Entering the target area. Wow. We might be very busy in the coming weeks. Priceline. Gave us a hook. What's with this gap up? There's no news, at least nothing listed down here. Huh. That's interesting. But it gave us a hook, and we should do something about it. We're getting confirmation across the board. Had a nice pullback yesterday. I kind of like that. I like to see this come down and then hook back up again on the intraday. So, where would we be looking for this? I don't want it. Yeah. I'm just thinking I don't want it to move too much today. And then what will we do this week or next week? Would this be an overnight trade? We'll have to figure that out. Yeah, I've been burned a lot on overnight trades, so this might be one that I would hold over a weekend, and then if it works out next Monday or Tuesday, get out of it. Kihu. I don't know how to pronounce this. Too flat. Not interested. Nice IV though. Very nice IV. Percentile. Very nice. SPX, nothing for this week. Tesla, I already took my lumps on this for this week. Yeah, we're looking for Here's our target. It's not coming up yet, and we're looking to capitalize on that calendar. Visa. Okay, all right. Entering our target area. How sweet it is, WAG, or Walgreens, I should say. Walgreens, we got a hook. Came down and just touched the 20 and gave us a hook. So I'm kind of liking that. So we'll throw an alert out here on Walgreens and probably do it next week on that one too. IV percentiles 52, that's pretty decent. Should have plenty of premium in that. And then last but not least, XLV. Have a little bit of a hook here. Probably good enough to at least take a look at something today. So we have an alert in here. Alrighty, so that's it for today for at least the A+ scan, the daily scan. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day and happy trading.